Hey traders, crypto market is bleeding. Bitcoin and altcoins are in a strong decline, and for us it is the great moment to look for buying opportunities. In this video I will share with you top 3 coins to look for buying. I will share with you my stop loss, targets, entries, and my entire trading plan. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. The first coin to watch is ADA. As you can see, the market lost more than 70% of its value from the all-time structure high. And the point is that on a weekly time frame, the market is currently approaching a very strong zone of demand. Look left at structure. Here on the left, I see that demand zone, and you can see that in the past, many times in a row, that structure was respected. From that structure, we saw strong bullish movements. Buyers were willing to buy from that structure, and now the market is approaching that. Look at the sharp bearish rally. This rally was extremely strong, but once that demand zone was reached, the market stopped falling. The market started to consolidate. For that reason, I'm looking for buying opportunities from that structure. Hey traders, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to see how we analyze and trade crypto market live, I want to invite you in my premium educational group. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group, the link in the description below. Please check it and let's continue. On a daily time frame, we see in details the recent price action. And candlestick patterns here are very telling. First of all, look at these 2 candles. Here we have brilliant rejection candles. Once that level was reached, bears stopped pushing and buyers started to buy. And here we got a very strong rejection. And then again. Moreover, at the moment, the market here is trading within the so-called inside bar formation. Look, here the market is trading within the range of this candle, and you can see that these consequent candles are perfectly respecting the range of this so-called mother's bar. It is the classic moment of indecision, the classic moment of accumulation, and now the market participants are waiting for some trigger. Yes, and in order to buy the market wisely, we need some confirmation right here. So let's open 4-hour time frame together and check what is there. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market is currently consolidating. You can see that the market is trading in the horizontal trading range. The market is very indecisive. The trigger that I'm looking for to buy this consolidating market is a bullish breakout of this range's resistance. Where exactly is the range's resistance? Here it goes. Yes, that entire area must be broken, this yellow box. I will look for the 4-hour candle close above that. Yes, and then I will buy on a retest. Buying on a retest, I will expect a bullish continuation to our closest major structure resistance. Here it goes. Yes, very strong structure cluster right here. So look, here we may have a very nice potential buying opportunity with the stop loss lying below the support of the range, and our target being right here. We should have around 2-to-1 risk to reward just for the initial target. And moreover, once the price reaches that structure, look for the reaction of the price to that structure. In case of a strong bullish breakout, we can apply a trailing stop, yes, and potentially we can catch a strong bullish rally. So watch ADA, monitor the trading range, and wait for the breakout. The second coin to watch is LANG, and as you can see, the market lost almost 75% of its value from the all-time structure high. And at the moment, analyzing a weekly time frame, you can see that LANG is approaching a key level. Here we have a strong horizontal structure. Yes, a very strong key level. In summer, once the price reached that structure, we saw a very strong bullish rally. So definitely for the market participants, that structure will be very important in future. Look how weak the market is on a daily time frame. First, we were nicely rejected from that structure. Once that structure was touched, the market bounced immediately and the price formed this very cute rejection candle. And then look, 1, 2, 3 doji candles in a row. The market is extremely weak, so we need to wait for some confirmation before we buy. On the 4-hour time frame, the price formed a very cute inverted head and shoulders pattern. I hope you see this pattern. Look, here's our left shoulder, here's our head, and here's our right shoulder. And at the moment, the market is completing the right shoulder. So what we are looking for right here, we are looking for the moment of the completion of the pattern. And then what we will look for the bullish breakout of the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern to the upside to then buy on a retest. Yes, and then we will expect a strong bullish continuation. Look, traders, buying from here, setting our stop loss below the head of this pattern, our initial target will be that structure. Yes, here on the left I see quite strong horizontal structure resistance. Yes, indeed it is a major level. And our second target will be right here, that structure high. Yes, and once the first target is reached, we will close 50% of profits and the rest we will keep for the second target. You can see that here we have a very nice potential trading opportunity, and your task here is to patiently wait for the breakout of a neckline first, and then for the retest, and then buy, and then here your stop loss and targets. And the last coin on our radar is Litecoin. As you can see, the market lost almost 77% from the all-time structure high. And on a weekly time frame, looking left at structure, the market is currently approaching a key level. Again, here on the left, I see a very strong key structure, and the price is currently testing that. So let's look for the confirmation to buy that key level. Similar to length, the market is very weak on a daily time frame. You can see that first we were nicely rejected 2 times in a row, and then we formed 2 quite cute doji candles. But moreover, here on Litecoin I see a very nice harmonic bullish pattern. Do you see this pattern? Look, first here the price dropped nicely and we got this strong bearish impulse. Then the market retraced and set the low high. If we take our impulse and project that from the completion point of the retracement leg, look, right here we have a perfect harmonic ABCD pattern, and the structure that we spotted matches perfectly with the completion point of this pattern. On the 4-hour time frame, the price formed a perfect double bottom formation. Here's our first bottom, and here's our second bottom, and here's our horizontal neckline. And the point is that at the moment the market is trading below the neckline. Yes, and while the market is trading below that, the market remains bearish to us. So what we are looking for is a bullish breakout of the neckline to the upside. Moreover, look, currently it looks like the market is forming a third bottom. In case if we see the third bottom, we will have right here a triple bottom formation, and the plan will be the same. Our plan will be to wait for the 4-hour candle close above this neckline and then buy in a retest. By the way, traders, if you want to learn why I trade in a retest, watch this video. There I explained why retest trading is better than aggressive trading. So buying on a retest, we will expect a bullish continuation all the way up to that strong structure resistance right here. And we will set our stop loss simply below the lows of the pattern. So we have 2-to-1 risk to reward right here. Watch that carefully. You can see that here I have my alert lying on the neckline of this double bottom. It will help me not to miss the breakout attempt of the neckline. Alright, traders, so these are 3 altcoins for you to watch. Let me know in the comment section what coins are you looking at for buying. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to see how we analyze crypto market live, forex market live, gold, oil, don't forget to check my premium educational group, the link in the description below. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.